So in this class, like we'll be learning about interface. So in the last chapter, we learned about the abstraction, right? So I had already told you in the abstraction chapter only there is a concept called as interface. So we will be learning about what is interface in this chapter. Okay. So coming to the interface, that is the interface. So interface is another way of achieving abstraction. Okay, so it is also similar as abstraction. This interface is also similar as abstraction, and you can also achieve 100% of abstraction over here. So I told you you can only achieve like only some 90% of abstraction in using abstraction, but here you can achieve totally 100% of abstraction in interface. How I'll be telling that. So here in interface, in see, that is what they are telling here. In interface they can in interface is an completely an abstract class. Okay, it is completely abstracted, that is used to group a related methods in empty bracket bodies. Okay, so in the sense, see, here is one example I'll take. So here I have taken, this is not a class, okay, this is an interface. So interface, I'll be taking an interface, and over here I'll be taking two methods. That methods does not have any body. These are empty. See, these are even same as abstraction. Here also it has the empty bodies. Okay, so we will not be giving any bodies over here. And similar as abstraction, you cannot also create here objects. So I will be telling it while doing in the program. So the next thing that we should know about the interface is interface must be implemented. So similarly like inheritance. So why we will be implementing that? So we will be implementing that to inherit the properties of that. So if you want to call this method in the another class, you should first implement the property. So you should first implement the class by one another class using implements keyword. Okay, it is similar as extends. Okay, implements is similar as extends, but in interface we will be using implements, and in inheritance you will be extends keyword you will be using. That's all. To access the, so for that what we they are telling us, to access the that is interface methods, we will be using implements keyword. So just I'll parallelly go and create it, so you will come to understand in a better manner. So I'll come here, I'll create interface package. So this is how you create a package. So inside that, what all we can create, that is see, we used to create a class. Now I need an interface. So I'll create an interface, that is I'll create a interface called, that is a okay. So interfaces been created. Okay, so this is the class which you have created in the yesterday's thing. So here you will be creating an interface. Please note this. Okay, face. So we have been created this. So next thing what we'll be doing, coming by to the step, so that is, so we'll just take one example how we will create. So I will have taken a class. Inside that I will be creating a method, that is interface method, and see here the same as, say, similar as the abstraction, you cannot create a body of the method. Okay, and the next thing, you cannot create a object for the interface inside the interface class. Okay, so you cannot create an object for interface class. For example, see, if I try to create, that is a of a is equals to new a, you will not be able to create actually. Okay, see, it is throwing an error. So I'll comment this, then I'll take another class called, that is I'll be taking another class called B. Okay, this one I am taking it as class, sorry, it should be in capital. So I'll make it as B, enter, next. So here I'll take, so we used to inherit that, na? See, in the previous example, that is in abstraction, how we used to inherit? We used to inherit using the extends keyword, but here we use implements a. See, we use implements. Okay, so I'll write a comment in the abstraction we used to use, that is extends from inheritance, right? Inheritance from inheritance, but that is, but we use implements the keyword in the interface for implementing the values. Okay, so for this we'll be using implements keyword. So that's what I'm telling. So but we use implements keyword in the interface to implement all the values from the interface. Okay, values from the interface. The next thing is we'll be creating a method. So how to call this method? Will be, what is the method we have created? Interface method, right? I'll copy that and paste it, and I'll write the body for this. Why it's showing an error? See, I have made that public, and then here I'll be taking git I'll tell successfully taken from the interface. Okay, successfully the method has taken from the interface. Okay, so have taken from the interface. Okay, and the next thing, I can also initialize. See here, that is same. We can also take that is normal method, or you can tell this is regular method. Normal method, that is void a. Okay, see, have taken normal method, and for this also you cannot, in the abstraction you were able to write the, see, in the abstraction you were able to write the body for the normal method, but in interface you will not be able to write the body for. Point to note down, that is in, that is abstraction, in abstraction you use to write the body for the, you used to write the body for the normal method, but you will be not giving any body for the normal method in interface. Okay, so you will not be giving even a body for over here for the interface, whether it is a normal method or the abstract method, that is the abstract method, anything it may be. This is abstract method and this is the normal method. So you cannot give any like body for that. Okay. And next thing is I'll be calling even that is void a method or normal method. Yeah, this is public void, sorry. Public void method I have taken, and I will give I will make this as that is normal method from interface. Okay, so for running that I'll take again a main method similar as the last example which I have done. So I'll take a main class, that is main main, finish it. I'll come back here, I'll create a method, main method. So inside that I'll be calling it. So what I'll be calling it is, first I'll be creating an object of b is equals to new b. Have been created an object, creation of object, and the next thing is we'll be using the object reference and we'll be printing the method, that is b dot, what is that, interface method. So if I run it, see, I'm able to access both the things. Okay, so what is the major difference that we have seen? So that is, in abstraction we used to write a body for this in the same abstract class, but in interface, see, we used to not to write. We will not allow for any of, whether it is a abstract class, which is a normal method or anything, you will not be able to. Okay, this is the major difference we have been seen till now. And the next thing is, see, in the this point they are telling, so we will be accessing using implements keyword, okay, to access the interface method. So till here we have done. Now the body of the interface method is provided by the implements class. So this is what they are telling. So for this, the body will be given by the implement class, that is implement class is b over here. So I'll write down here the implements class is B. Okay, so this B class will be giving the body, right? See, we are giving the body for here, and so even this point is clear for us. Coming to the next thing is, here is one small example which they have taken using animals. That is, see, this is the interface which they have created called as animal. The previous example we only created as, see, animal abstraction. This is a class, but this is interface. See, this is interface, this is class, this is class. Okay, so coming back to the example, and see, we have created two methods called as, they have taken both the normal methods only, they have taken, also you can take the, you can make the abstract methods. I think that is in the next example. So they have created an like class which has been implementing animal, that is pig is implementing the animal, and then here they have taken, they have given the body for that, they have called that method and they have given the body for that. And for another method also, both the methods they have been given, that is for the method, this is a separate method, yeah, and this is the separate method which they have called, yeah, here see there is two methods, right? That is animal, sound, and sleep. So for sound they have given VV, and for sleep they have given Z. Okay, that one they will be calling using another class called as main. So they have created an object called as pig, that is which has been implemented, right? See, this has been implemented by the pig, right? This is the pig, this is the implementation class. So they have created the class of pig, object of pig, and then they are calling the method. So here how does it works, you know? The main thing of abstraction is it gives us security. So how it gives us security? The see, this implementation will be hidden. That is interface class, that will be totally hidden. Everything will, the user will know is only till here. That's all. From here only the user will know. Okay, from here only the user will know. From here to here the user will know. So for that only it is an security purpose we tell. Okay. So coming to the note. So what is the note they are telling? I think you understood this interface. Okay. So there are some points that we should remember. Okay. That is, interface cannot be used to create an object. So as I told here, the first point, that is see, we cannot create an object inside the interface class. That's what they have told here. And the next thing is the body. The body is provided by the implements class. That also have been told over here. The body will be given by the implements class. Here the implements class is B. So the body will be given by the B class. So that is implementation class. And the next thing is, you must override all the methods for implementation. So you will be overriding all the methods for like giving the body of that is for implementing the thing. So you should override all the methods. That's what this line mean. And the interface methods are by default public and abstract. So if you don't give abstract also, or if you don't give mention, if you don't mention here abstract also, it's by default abstract and public. Okay, so that's what that means. And interface attributes are by default public, static and final. Okay, the next thing is the interface cannot contain a constructor. So you cannot create a constructor because we cannot create any object inside that. So we cannot, it does not contain, we will not be able to create a constructor over here in the interface class. That is the main point. So that is what they are telling. We cannot create a constructor side the interface. Okay, so we will not be able to create a constructor inside the interface. Okay, so these points are cleared. So any doubts in these points? Hello? Hello? So if you have any doubts, just you can let me know. So coming to the next thing that you might ask, so sir, why we want interface? So coming to here, to achieve security, as I told, to achieve security, that the main content will be hidden and only the implementation details will be showed. Okay, so only the implementation part will be shown, and like it will hide all the implementation interface classes and the full details, and it will only show the implementation part. So this is it achieves security. And the next thing is, it does not support multiple inheritance. See, Java does not support multiple inheritance, right? See, in the inheritance concept I have already told, so you can go back over there. So I told you here, that is, just a minute, see over here, till hierarchical inheritance only have been told. But coming to this multiple inheritance, so we cannot call two classes at the same time. So this multiple inheritance can be achieved only by the interface. See, so that only I have told you I'll be teaching in the interface class. Okay, and the hybrid also, this one also we will be teaching in this class only. So coming to this one, multiple inheritance. So how does it work? Okay, so we can only achieve using the that is interface, using implementation. Okay, note, there is one note over here. Note, to implement multiple interfaces, so if you want to implement multiple interfaces, you will be using comma. Okay, that is, you will be using comma. So I'll show you one beautiful example, that is, I'll take an example, sorry, we need to create an interface, that is, I'll take father and I'll take mother. Okay, so there are two interfaces called as father and mother. First let me type something from mother, that is some qualities from mother, that is void lt knowledge, or mother learns. Okay, mother learns and father father sorry void earns, that is EAR earns. So mother earns and father earns and mother learns have been taken. And the next thing is I'll also take void drink. The same thing I'll take. Okay, so this is the thing from, and the mother void spends. See, this is the two interfaces have been taken. Okay, and have given two classes, two methods. So what I have done here, I have taken two methods called learns and spends. Okay, in the mother class. Same thing what I have taken in the father class, have taken two classes, that is earns and drinks. Drink method in the father class. Okay, and I'll take one class called as son and another class called as daughter. Okay, one class is enough, so I'll show over here only, that is, so son will earn also, son will require, see how, here the son here the son need money. Okay, first point is here the son needs money, so this will be from what? From father, right? This will be from father. So I'll come back here. So this will be from father. That is earn method. Okay, and the same line will copy. So okay, first we'll end this method, then we will copy. So for that I'll be taking earn method earns, that is void. So before taking this you should implement sorry, implements father. I'll make this as public. So why I have made here as public? In the previous point we came to know that by default only we should make it as public, right? Just a minute, I'll connect the charger. Okay, done. So here I'll take money given by father to son. So see, I will not give money given by father to son. Money got. So he has some money, so I will just type I have 500 or 5,000 or 50,000. Okay, and the next thing is I'll be just same thing, I'll be even learning something from mother, that is, so I'll be spending. Okay, usually mothers spend, right? So for that what I'll take the second thing, the money is, so I want to spend some money, spend money. So for that what I will be taking, so this will be taken from mother, this will be taken from mother, and here it will be spent. Okay, that is spend. So I will take spend, that is public. So here what I will be doing, I will be printing system.out.println spent rupees, it is spent rupees 50,000. Okay, and we will also take you can also take another two methods, that is drink and the another thing. See here we can just give the comma, we don't need to create the another implementation class, and we don't need to create, just we can give one comma here, that is as we have learned over here, just we can give one comma and then we can use mother, we can just implement the mother class. So you have got for here done, right? So both the classes from both father and mother you have got, right? And I'll be calling that okay, just a minute, this is spend, I think so, okay, spends, yeah. So this doubt has been cleared now. So done now. So here what I'll be doing is done. So I'll take one main method. So this in the same method only, here I'll be only taking sun. I'll create another object called sun. That is son of s, son of s is equals to new sun s dot drink and s, sorry, drink we have not given anything, s dot, that is s dot, first is earns and s dot spends. So he will be giving the calculation of both the things, that is, see, I have earned both, like he has 50,000 and he has spent 50,000, okay, like that. So this is just a small example which I have been given. So this is how it works in the real life example. So see here, why I have taken this example, no, here the money is given by the father, but the person whoever the amount is being received, no, he doesn't know from where the son is getting the money, okay. See, he will not be able to know from where the son is getting the money, okay. He'll just collect the money and do that's it. So here and where the money is done, he doesn't know, and who has spent that money, he doesn't know. Suppose you think that, imagine, suppose he is telling to his friend or something that his mother has got, so I got some money, and mother will be telling to spend some 50,000 on some fridge or anything, washing machine or anything, the home material or anything it may be. So that will be given from the mother. Mother has told to spend and father has given the money. That's how it works. So you will be hiding the main information and only you will be giving the certain information for that. Okay. So this is how the implementation, so the interface works. So it will be workful in the nice examples you can use. Okay. So this is how it works. So this is an example of multiple interface. The same example which is over here. See, it is, they have taken first interface and the second interface. They have given both the methods, one method for over here and then over here it has been implemented. Demo class has been has been implements both first interface and the second interface, and here it has been taken some text, and here some other text they have been taken, just they have been called, but we will not know from where it has been come, that method has been come, the main user will not come to know. Okay, so we'll be hiding the thing over here. The only thing that we will be doing is the main method will know is about the demo class, that's all, but he will not know about where and all, from where he is getting the method and all. So he will be hiding the information. Okay, so he will be hiding the details and only give the information. He will be hiding the details, like where he will be getting, and how he has got that method and all, he will be hiding that. So that is how, for that purpose we will be using interface. So if there is any doubts, you can ask me.